Hello and welcome back. So you saw the video that I just made about the Pluto TV and a whole bunch of new channels, mainly for the kids, but it has something for everybody, including the Nickelodeon movies and games, the Today's Show channel, sports betting game channels. You know, if you're a person that loves to bet, check that channel out. They add a whole bunch of new channels, but they're not the only ones that add a whole bunch of new channels this month. The Roku channel is also adding a whole bunch of new content as well. So just like the Pluto TV video I just made, we're going to be talking about all of the channels that the Roku channel has added this month. And they added a total of 17 free channels. So this is incredible, and it's just more ways to get channels for free without having to pay for it. And this is something that you should check out if you haven't checked it out already. So let's dive into all of these channels right now. Alright, the first channel I'm going to be diving into is the AFV Family channel. Now this is based on the regular AFV channel through the ABC series America's Friendliest Home Videos, and this channel is going to be giving you all of the family friendly content for the kids. You know, gives you all of the videos, the viral videos, but themed based on the kids, so you know you can get a crack out of it, or if your kid wants to check out stuff, the kid can get a little crack out of the jokes up in there through the viral videos that you can watch together with the family. So that's AFV Family right here. Now, unlike Pluto TV, there's no numbers, so I can't tell you the numbers. All I can tell you is they're all in the category sections of the comedy. So it's in the comedy section. Next channel right here is College Humor, and based on the YouTube channel, it's going to be giving you all of the comedy videos that you used to enjoy on YouTube, and it's available now on this particular area, and it's going to be giving you award-winning sketches, animation, music videos, original series, and much more to your TV. So, you know, if you enjoy the YouTube channel, now they have it as a live 24/7 channel for free, where you can get great jokes out of it, great humor out of it. So if you love College Humor, the YouTube channel, now they have it live on the Roku channel. So check that out right there. The next comedy channel is Funny or Die. Like I said, based on the YouTube channel, but now available live 24/7 on the Roku channel, and it's going to be giving you all of the content that features your favorite comedians and your favorite celebrities, and it give you all of the jokes, give you all of the parodies, like as you can see right here, people making jokes out of QVC, and it gives you all of the latest comedy videos in one specific channel. So if you love the Funny or Die website, now it's available 24/7 for free as a channel on your Roku. The last channel on here is Just for Laugh Gags, and it gives you all of the latest comedic relief provided by the world's longest running and most adored prank show, which is called Just for Laugh Gags, and it's going to be giving you unexpected people getting roped into hilarious situations created by the Just for Laughs Gags expert. So if you're a fan of people being tricked into pranks, jokes, and stuff like that, and you want to get a good laugh out of it, check out this channel, Just for Laugh Gags, and it's available on the Roku channel. So that's all the new channels that have just been added to the comedy section. Next up, I'm going to be going into the sports category, because there was a new sports channel that has just been added to the Roku channel, and it's called BN Sports Extra. Now it's based on the regular channel, but now it has an extra version of it for free, and it's going to give you a free 24/7 English language live sports, news and analysis and highlights network that brings everyone closer to the game. Now this channel is going to be giving you live and exclusive access to soccer matches, comeback sports, adventure sports, original studio productions, and a robust library of classic sporting events at no extra cost. So if you enjoyed the BN Sports channel, but you don't want to pay for it, maybe you might want to pay for it for a little bit for some major sports events, but the sport is over, but you still want to get access to BN Sports content, check out the BN Sports Extra. Give you all of the content that you need for free without having to subscribe to a cable channel, available on the Roku channel. So that's one new sport channel that has just been added to the Roku channel for free. Alright, so let's get into crime stuff now. So these are all the new crime channels that's going to begin on here on the Roku, and we start with Real True Crime, and it's going to be the home of compelling crime content where infamous crimes are laid bare in fascinating complex cases from across the globe, featuring hit shows including Crime Investigation Australia, Warren's Kemp on Gangs. You want the latest crime documentaries, you want to check out anything related to crime that's happening, check out the latest mysteries and investigation, check out right here on the Real True Crime channel. And the last crime channel we have today is the Forensic Files channel. Now, if you already saw it on the Pluto TV, the Tubi, any free platforms, basically the Forensic Files channel is now mainstream, and it's just like one of those distributions that they add it everywhere. But in case you don't know what it is, let me just give you the description about the channel, and it gives you no clue unexamined in the pursuit of the truth, and it gives you a crack open at any case that's happening that you can check out for yourself and see if they solve the cases forensically. Basically, that's what it's about. Basically, it's the same Forensic Files channel you're going to be checking out, like I said, everywhere for free. So no need to dive deep into that. So that's all the crime channels that Roku added this month. The next category is a new category, and it's called Talk Shows, and it's going to be giving you all of the talk show content that in the past on here. And we start with Nosey. Like I said, it's available everywhere on Pluto TV, on Zumo, every platform, and it's now available on the Roku channel. And it's going to be giving you all of the talk show hosts, the personalities, and if you want to find out, if this person is the father, you want to see that I'm not the father dance, that's available on here for free. And it shows content from Maury, Jerry Springer, Blind Date, and many more shows that's available on here on the Roku channel for the Nosey section. So that's Nosey. And then Nosey added a new channel, and it's called Real Nosey, and it's going to be giving you content from Steve Wilkos and classic cult shows, bringing real people, real drama, and real consequences right to your living room. And like I said, this is just like the regular Nosey, but the real version of it. So if you want to check out stuff like that, check out the Real Nosey channel, and it's available exclusively on the Roku channel. So that's all of the talk shows that was added this month. Alright, the next category we're checking out is science, and we're going to begin right into two new science channels that was just added, including Dust. Now, Dust is about providing you real thought-provoking science fiction content, exploring the future of humanity from timeless to cutting-edge movies, series, and sorts. And they provide you the latest and the best of established and emerging filmmaking voices to your living room. As you can see, they also have these movies on here too. If you're a person that loves these thought-provoking science fiction content, independently made, check out the Dust channel. It's available on here for free. And the last new channel on here is another film-wise channel, just a sci-fi version of it, and it gives you the best sci-fi movies in the Galaxy, featuring genre-spanning movies as well as beloved series like Lost in Space and anime content as well for free on here on your Roku. So if you love sci-fi content and you want to check it out for free, movies and much more, check it out. Now let's get to home improvement stuff. So this is all in the food and home section, and we're gonna start with the Restore channel. And the Restore channel is going to be breathing new life into old homes. If you're a person that wants to see these homes restored, if you're a person that enjoys seeing people improving homes, fixing it, restoring it from the original state, check out that channel right there. It's called, once again, Restore. And then the last channel on here is This Old House. So if you enjoy that PBS series where these people come and restore houses, but it's now available for free on the Roku channel. And this channel, like I said, is going to be giving you an American first and most trusted name in household improvement television. And it's going to be, like I said, fixing up houses and all that stuff. And with them other show, Ask This Our House, is going to be answering questions, and it's going to be, giving you ways to help improve your home. And then what they do also is travel the country to make house calls, and it's going to be probably improving houses based on the house calls that they receive. And it's going to help you learn how to build your dream house and do it in the right way. So that's what this is all about. So if you enjoy that PBS series, it's now available for free on the Roku channel 24/7. We have 3 more channels to go to, and then that's it. So the next 2 channels are in the kids and family section. So the first channel is Toon Giggles. Toon Giggles is about providing your kids their favorite shows for free, including fan favorites such as Angry Birds, Talking Tom, Yum. That game where you fling the candy and make sure the green guy gets it. That's available on here. You got Gummy Bears and much more channels that are available for the kids. So basically you're getting a lot of these sorts here that's based on these video games on your phones, but it's available for free on your TV. So if your kids love these characters and you want to see what these characters do, check it out right here on the Toon Goggles channel. And they also have a junior version of it, and it's called Toon Goggles Junior, and it's going to provide hundreds of fun and educational shows from categories including sing-along songs, arts and crafts, and amazing animals. So if the kids love that stuff, check it out for them for free. It's called Toon Goggles Junior, and it's available on here. So that's all the kids content that the Roku channel added this month. And there is one more channel that the Roku channel added, and it is called Wipeout Extra. And this channel is going to be available in the reality section, and it's going to be giving you off the content based on the Wipeout series in the UK, and it's the home of physical and exciting stuff on here, and it's going to be giving you the opportunity to witness unexpected challenges featuring action-packed family entertainment such as Total Wipeout UK and other Total Wipeout series on here. So if you enjoy Wipeout and if you want to check it non-stop for free, it's available on here on the Roku channel, Wipeout Extra. Alright, so that's all of the stuff that the Roku channel added for this month. Huge collection of live free linear channels, so you have something to watch in your spare time. Maybe if you're sitting in the house, maybe if you're doing some stuff, have something in the background. Or if you want kids to watch content, maybe some kids wouldn't mind watching these cartoons. Some of these things on here, they're not really well-known characters, but if your kids just want to sit back and watch something regardless, doesn't matter which character is which, check out Toon Goggles Jr., AFV Family channel. Got a good selection of family-friendly content for the kids. So that's what Roku added this month in its channel app. And as you know, the Roku channel is not only available on the Roku, but it's also available on the web. It's available on your phone, and it's also available on Samsung smart TVs. As Roku keeps adding these channels, they're going to keep getting bigger and better, just like Pluto TV. I mean, Pluto TV has the most live channels out of all of them, but the Roku channel is not short. Check it out. If you haven't already, you get a huge row of content for free, live and on demand. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. This is the Rokuing Now Podcast. Based on the YouTube channel, the podcast will help provide you the latest on your Roku devices and the platform itself. This will include talking about anything new coming to the platform, teach you the latest tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your Roku experience, cover anything new from Roku streaming channels, and much more. The Rokuing Now Podcast is available on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, or wherever you get your podcasts. New episodes air on Fridays, and hopefully we'll help you get the most out of your Roku experience. Hope to hear from you soon.